guys, I was finally able to get my hands on this new T3 Micro Aire IQ. You guys have been requesting this video for a while now, and T3 Micro was so kind to send this to me as a gift. This video is not sponsored, and I will be completely honest with you guys. I'll let you guys know if I think it is worth the $300 or not. The original price of this is $400. It's on sale right now for $300, but this is $400. So let's see if it's worth the money, because $400 is $400. It's a lot of money. Let's open this up. This is a intelligent hair dryer. Let's see what this looks like. Wow. All right, the packaging is super nice. I mean, look how it comes. Like, what? This box is so heavy, so I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing. I got the pink color, but they also do have this in white. I love T3 Micro hair tools. They are so aesthetic, and I like that most of them are like either pink or white. Those are my type of colors. So satisfying. Has a big screen right here, and with this you're supposed to be able to customize this blow dryer and make it your own. Basically, you're going to set up the heat settings to your hair type. So let's do that right now. Oh my god, I almost forgot the diffuser. It's in here. I'm like, wait, doesn't this include a diffuser? It's in the top of the box. Make sure you check that. Okay, I'm like, wait, where are the attachments? Here's a diffuser attachment. I'm gonna be trying that today. It's gorgeous, as you can see. Wow, the packaging of this is interesting. It's like a puzzle. This is like a puzzle. Who would have thought that the attachments are down here? This is the stand for the hair tool. The attachments are in here. Like, what? This is so cool. Do I attach this to this? Yeah, there you have it. You got these two nozzle attachments. This is the quick dry attachment. Very, very wide. You can kind of like rough dry your hair with this. And then this is the styling attachment. A little bit more thin. Still not as thin, I would think, for my curly hair. I do prefer a more concentrated dry, but we'll see. We'll put it to the test. We're really gonna try it out and see how it works. Let's turn on the hair tool and see what happens. All right. Pressing it. Oh, ooh. Okay, do you guys see that? Okay, English, okay. Select hair texture. Fine, medium, and coarse. Of course, we're gonna go with coarse. I'm gonna start with the diffuser attachment because I do wanna like dry my hair a little bit. So let's try it. Okay, let's see what happens. Ooh. So it created my perfect setting with the diffuser attachment. Okay, so let's dry my hair a little bit. When you place the hair tool down, the settings go down as well, so it's not as loud, even though it's still a little bit loud, but not bad, because when you pick it up, it gets a little bit louder. So let's dry the hair. Don't judge me, my curls are not the best right now, but I just want to dry it a little bit with the diffuser just to try it out and just see how quickly I'm able to dry some of my hair. This has 5 different heat settings, and it's in the 3rd heat setting, and surprisingly it's very, very hot. So I can't even imagine what the 5th heat setting is going to feel like. So excited about that. By the way, it was in the lowest speed setting as well. So this is what my hair looks like after drying it with the diffuser for about 5 minutes. I think it gave me a pretty quick dry. I would say my hair is about 70% dry right now, and I have no product on my hair, so it doesn't look the best. My curls are not the best right now, even just because I have some heat damage, but also because I have no product in my hair. But does it give you a quick dry? Absolutely. I want to try these nozzle attachments, so let's get right into that. But first, I'm going to re-wet my hair just a little bit and add some heat protection. Today I'm going to be using this new Amika Frizz-Me-Not Hydrating Anti-Frizz treatment. This product right here is an all-in-one product. It's going to make your hair a lot more smooth, less frizzy. It's going to protect your hair from heat. It is going to make your hair soft and shiny. It's going to hydrate. So this is kind of like an all-in-one product, which is super nice. This is all I'm going to be using today, so let's get right into it. I'm going to try this big nozzle, even though I know it's not going to be my favorite out of the two, but just to try it. So I'm going to clip it. There you go. And this is the brush that I usually use for my blowout. So this is the Olivia Garden XL55. I'll link it down here and tag it right here through YouTube shopping. Okay, let's turn this on. Let's see if it selects the heat setting. Okay, so quick dry, 4th heat setting, and 2nd speed setting. So let's try it out. Do this section right here. It feels hotter than the diffuser attachment, which is good. Honestly, I'm not too mad about it. Like, I thought this was going to be way too big, but it gave me a very quick dry. Guys, I think I was able to dry this section in less than a minute, which is very quick for me. And honestly, it doesn't look bad. I thought this huge nozzle attachment was going to just not work for me, but not bad. Let's try this smaller one. I'm gonna turn it on. Let's see what setting we get. Love to see that setting right there. Highest speed, highest heat, let's go. And also, if you place it down, it also does the pause detect mode or whatever you want to call it. I want to put a timer to see how long it takes you to dry this one section. So let's try that. Put a timer. Okay. Okay, my hair is completely dry. It took me 1 minute and 20 seconds to do this one section, which is not bad at all. I'm definitely liking this nozzle attachment a lot better than the bigger one, just because I'm able to get a more concentrated dry. It's just gonna give me a smoother look overall. So we're gonna use this one to dry all my hair. I'm gonna start a timer and let's see how long it takes me to do these sections. Okay guys, let's start taking off these clips. I did put each section in a clip just for about 10 minutes. It took me about 46 minutes to do all my hair, which is not bad at all for me. It usually takes me from 45 minutes to an hour to do all my hair. So 46, not bad. And I feel like I got a pretty good blowout. I love that with this hair tool, you're able to place it on your table as you're using it. It will do the pause mode as well, and it's easier to just lift and place on your table when you're doing your hair. So yeah, really like that about this hair tool. Love that this is flat right here, so it's easy to place. That is something that I don't want to compare, you know, this is not a comparison video, but that is something that I don't love about the Supersonic R, the Dyson, because the design is like this curved design and it doesn't have like a flat bottom like this where you could just kind of like place it on the table as you go. So yeah, this one was easier to use in between sections. This is what my hair is looking like. Not bad. I definitely have some volume, which is nice. I'm gonna add a little tiny bit of oil. I'm gonna use this new Kerastase glaze drop. Just gonna add a couple drops and let's just spread this everywhere. I definitely really enjoyed using this hair tool. I feel like if I had a thinner nozzle attachment, I would get even better results. So I really hope that they come out with a thinner nozzle attachment. But this one was not bad at all. I mean, you guys can see it looks pretty smooth for just a blowout, and I love the bounce that I got. I would love to compare this hair tool to another hair tool, maybe the Supersonic R. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see that. I also want to try the L'Oreal, the new hair dryer. I really want to try that one. That one's another like $400, so we'll see if I end up getting that. I'm not gonna lie, it's been super humid lately in Pennsylvania, so my hair has been getting super frizzy. So I probably would be using a straightener or a heat around brush after this blowout just to make sure that my hair doesn't get super frizzy. But for just a blowout, this is not bad at all. I think in the winter, this is probably all I need. But if it's very humid, I'll probably need a straightener, at least at the roots, or a heat around brush just to really lock in the style. But I love the bounce that I got. I love the movement, and this hair tool was very easy to use. I feel like it got pretty hot. I didn't expect it to get that hot, honestly, because T3 Micro hair tools usually don't get too hot. And yeah, even with this nozzle attachment, I feel like I got a pretty good blowout. What do you guys think? And yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it and I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.